In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get back disappeared candles on Tradingview, Unhide Candlesticks. By the end, you'll have your candlesticks visible again and properly centered on the chart so you can continue your analysis without interruptions. First, check the top left legend. Move your mouse over the symbol name in the top left corner of the chart, for example BTCUSD. When you hover, you'll see an eye icon appear next to it. If the eye has a slash through it, the price series is hidden. Click the eye to unhide it. As soon as the slash disappears, the series is visible again. If hidden candles were the issue, they should immediately reappear on the chart after this click. Next, re-enable the candlestick type. Go to the Chart Type menu near the top of the screen. It usually looks like a small icon of bars or lines. Also, click it to open this list of chart styles, then select Candles. If this was set to bars, line, or another type, switching back to candles will restore the standard candlestick view. You should see red and green candles as soon as you apply this. Now, use the object tree to confirm nothing else is hidden. On the right side toolbar, click the object tree icon. It looks like a stack of layered squares. In the panel that opens, find your main chart series under the symbol name. If the eye icon next to the symbol is off or has a slash, click it to unhide. This is a reliable place to uncover anything that's been hidden at the chart level. Once you toggle it on, the candlesticks should display again. If the candles are still not visible or look squished against the top or bottom, toggle Auto Scale. Move your mouse to the price axis on the right side of the chart and double-click it. This forces Tradingview to automatically rescale the view. Alternatively, click the Auto button at the bottom right of the chart area. Auto Scale brings all visible price action back into the viewport without changing your data. After you apply it, the candles should snap into a readable range. If you applied an indicator that hides bars, remove it. Some Pine script indicators can intentionally hide candles. Look back to the top left legend where your symbol and indicators are listed. Hover over the indicator's name and click the X to remove it. This only removes the indicator from the chart and can be added back later if needed. If the indicator was hiding bars, the candlesticks will return as soon as it's removed. If all else fails, reset your chart settings. Right-click anywhere on the chart, choose Settings, then open the Appearance tab. Click Apply Defaults. This restores default visual settings, including colors and grid preferences, and can resolve display issues that keep candles from appearing correctly. It won't delete your symbols, drawings, or watch lists, but it will reset how the chart looks. After you apply defaults, close the dialog and check the chart. Your candlesticks should now be fully visible. At this point, your Tradingview candlesticks are restored and visible, and the chart is back to a clean, usable state. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.